Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to comment GIFs on Instagram. First, you have to log into your Instagram account and you need to go to the post you want to comment, click on comment icon, and here beside the message bar, you will find a sticker icon. Click on it, and at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will find a icon named GIF. Click on it and you will find the GIFs you want. Also, you can search for GIFs too. Just like me, select your GIFs and select on send button, and the GIF will post it in the comment section. Just like here, you can see I have posted a GIF in this comment section. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.